Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data. Back up the app and settings with ADB or the app's export. Once done, find the exact older APK you want and check its version code or SHA to avoid mismatches. This prevents incompatible data schemas. Next, enable developer options and USB debugging so you can use ADB sideload safely. Make sure the device battery is above 50%. Interruptions during installation cause corruption, so take this step seriously before proceeding. You now remove the updated build and install the older one. For system apps, run the ADB command to uninstall updates for the current user. That reverts to the factory package. For user apps, uninstall the update or clear app data to reduce schema conflicts. Then sideload the APK with a db install R to replace the app while preserving allowed data. Pay attention to ADB output. Signature mismatch or newer target SDK errors tell you the APK is incompatible and you must pick a different build. You finish by preventing unwanted updates. Turn off auto-update for that app in the Play Store or respective store so the rollback sticks. Then open the app, sign in, and test core flows. If data appears missing, restore your backup or re-import settings. Make sure permissions are set correctly. If something goes wrong, clear the package installer cache, confirm the APK's signature matches the original, or reboot into safe mode, and repeat the install to isolate third-party interference. This single troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.